What up, y'all? It's been a very long time since I've posted a video, but I'm back. Today I'm going to be testing out these Venture Crockett Pro trucks that I just got from Kinetic in Delaware. I haven't skated Ventures in probably like 10 years. The ones I have on my board right now, I've got Aces on here. I like them. I've just skated them a lot. I don't like how I sort of balance on rails and ledges, so I think it's about time I try out some new ones. It's a very windy day today, but I'm gonna try and set these up. Also, set up another board. We're gonna grip it up, and I'm gonna skate it and tell you guys what I like about it. So we get right into it. So these are pretty skated up. It's about time I got rid of them. As you can see. Now the other side, actually missing a bolt on here. Just 3 bolts. Here I got my new trucks, my old ones. You can see the difference big time. Just how thrashed up the front piece is here. These are real nice. You still got the tags on them. I gotta put my wheels on first. Grip up the board. Always sheety Jessup, my favorite. Which looking good so far though. I like that. Back truck. So good. I like how that looks. Black on blue and yellow, green in there. Now I'm gonna set up these wheels. Right, I'm just gonna put them on. I never paid attention before, but I'm gonna try and keep these spacers in here. I'm pretty sure I always take them out, but let's try it this time with spacers in. Not that I noticed a whole lot. Washer on. I put it on backwards. It's whack. they are all tightened and ready to go. Let's give her a test. But I did notice before, back in the day when I had Ventures, I could not put my T-tool in there. It would like be so hard to fit on that front bolt. But these are not, there's no issue there. At least my tool fits right in there to get in and do what you gotta do. Let's test it out. Here we got the fresh board, fresh Ventures in there. Crispy. The way this jessup looks too, nice and sparkly. I'm gonna skate this bench a little bit, see how these trucks go. I have no wax on these trucks, so we're gonna see just how good they slide, fresh with nothing on them. There's a little bit of wax on the bench, but I'm gonna test it out and see how this board goes. Now I'm gonna take it to the ledge. I'm gonna add some wax to this just a little bit because you never know. Most ledges need a little bit of love, so I'm gonna hit it up. Let's go do a couple basic grinds on here before it gets dark. Grinds, some slides. I like to see how heavy the board is popping into a trick, so. Overall, not bad. These trucks are starting to get a little thrashed up now that I'm taking them to the actual ledge, but a little bit of wax and they're working good. Kind of in the front here, I'm getting a little thrashed up from that front nose, but not a big deal. It's expected to happen. I'll try and get a few more tricks for y'all. Thank you guys for watching and tuning in. If you like my video, please subscribe and comment down below if you have any more ideas. If you skate Ventures yourself, if you had aces before and switched up to something else like myself, just let me know down below, and thank you guys.